We Trade You Earn from Wallerex website. It's very easy to earn money from home. In an era of rapid technological advancements, the internet has transformed from a mere communication tool into a vast landscape of opportunities, allowing individuals to explore diverse avenues for making money online. One such platform that has gained attention is RexWallet.pro, a platform that promises to provide a gateway to online income generation. Now get registered here to free sign-up account. Following the instruction, just enter username and password. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the realm of RexWallet.pro, examining its features, potential benefits, and considerations to help you navigate your journey towards making money online. RexWallet.pro presents itself as a multifaceted platform designed to empower individuals seeking to generate income through online ventures. It offers a range of opportunities, from e-commerce and affiliate marketing to dropshipping and online trading. The platform positions itself as a one-stop solution for those looking to capitalize on the digital economy. Exploring income generation avenues enables users to set up their own online stores, leveraging the power of e-commerce. You can source products, create a storefront, and tap into a global customer base. This avenue involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning commissions for every sale made through your referral. RexWallet.pro purportedly offers affiliate programs with attractive commission structures. RexWallet.pro may provide a platform for dropshipping, where you sell products without holding inventory. The platform may facilitate the entire process, from product sourcing to delivery. Online trading. For those interested in financial markets, RexWallet.pro might offer online trading options, potentially allowing users to speculate on various assets like stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Potential benefits. A. Flexibility. Making money through RexWallet.pro may offer flexibility in terms of working hours and location. This can be especially appealing for those seeking a better work-life balance. Low barrier to entry. Online income generation often requires minimal upfront investment compared to traditional businesses, potentially making it more accessible. Diverse opportunities. RexWallet.pro seems to present a range of income streams, allowing users to experiment and diversify their revenue sources. Learning opportunities. Engaging with RexWallet.pro might offer a chance to learn new skills, such as digital marketing, sales, and financial literacy. While RexWallet.pro may promise opportunities, success often requires developing skills and staying updated with market trends. It's important to be prepared for a learning curve. Online income isn't guaranteed, and results may vary. Building a sustainable online income stream often takes time, effort, and consistent dedication. RexWallet.pro emerges as a potential player in the realm of online income generation, offering a diverse array of opportunities for those looking to capitalize on the digital economy. However, it's imperative to approach this platform and any similar ventures with careful consideration, thorough research, and a realistic understanding of the challenges and benefits. Here is the withdraw payout method, which can you suitable to add your wallet. There is many options to withdraw your payout system, like Payer, Perfect Money, Add Cash, and more options are available. While the allure of making money online is undeniable, success often lies in a combination of smart decision-making, skill development, and a commitment to long-term sustainability. Earning money online presents a dynamic landscape of opportunities, from freelancing and remote work to e-commerce and content creation. Engage in digital marketplaces, offer your skills on platforms. While online earnings offer flexibility, success demands persistence, adaptability, and a keen understanding of your chosen path.